A very good Thursday morning to everyone out there. Baby Friday, as we like to refer to it around here. Landon here with you to bring you your latest weather and night forecast courtesy of On Target. Hope you've been able to enjoy the dry weather out there and some sunshine because all that is starting to change early this morning. We got this Sweeto front that's lifting north over the region. You can see all the activity that's coming along and south of that boundary. We get these meandering showers and a few rumbles of thunder that's going to continue on the northeastern pathway. It's going to result in isolated to scattered shower and storm chances for us throughout our Thursday. And we're going to look at a more likely opportunity at the wet stuff impacting the region Friday afternoon as we progress into our Friday night. Let's get a look across the region. Cloud cover already starting to sock us in here, overlooking Bowling Green. D93 Sky Cam showcasing that nicely. I have a few breaks of sunshine here and there as we work throughout the day. And again, the rain and storm chances should remain somewhat scattered in nature. Cloud cover also present overlooking our WPBM camera, overlooking Barren River Lake early this morning. Got some of the stratus clouds that's coming along with that boundary that's passing through here that is resulting in those hit-miss rain showers that we are having to deal with. Temperature-wise out there early this morning, we are looking at readings that are rather warm. They're already located right around the low and mid-60s. We'll be punching highs up once again as we work throughout the day, right around the upper 70s, all right? Might touch the 80-degree mark, but with more cloud cover out there, I don't believe that we are going to be able to achieve that here as we work over the next day or so. Looking at the latest model guidance, we'll give you the big picture first. Here we are working throughout today. Boundary moves to our north, and then we get the scattered activity impacting the region. And then as we work into this evening, folks, this is where the surface setup is going to be located. We got this cold front approaching here out of the north and west. We got these features down here to our south that's going to be churning moisture northward into our vicinity, and the combination of that moisture advection out of the Gulf along with a cold front coming through, this is what's going to spout off more likely chances for showers and storms across the region as we finish out the work week. Here we are looking at this morning. We got a few of the scattered showers impacting the region already. This is going to continue. Folks, take this with a grain of salt. This simulated radar is not identical to what's going to occur. It is model guidance. It is referred to that as a reason. But you can see the wildly scattered activity that we have ongoing, especially through the afternoon. Whenever we get into peak heating, we might have a robust cell or two fire up. We are not expecting any sort of severe weather. And then we're going to subside the activity with the loss of daytime heating as we work throughout the overnight, okay? And then we progress into our Friday. We get more daytime heating coming back into the fold. You can see the development of these showers and storms that are going to be transversing north and east across the region. This continues throughout our Friday morning. And then with the passing cold front, Friday afternoon into Friday evening, as you can see here, this will be the more likely time frame for the showers and storms to develop and impact the region. And then the cold front's going to slice down to our south and east and should be out of here, should luck be on our side by right around dawn on Saturday morning. That should result in a drier, cooler, quieter weekend for us to take in out there. Take a look at the dew point. It's going to get a little sticky out there at times. We work throughout this morning, dew points hanging around the lower 60s. Then we work into the afternoon and evening. We get mid and upper 60s across the board. And take a look. That moisture is going to stay located across our vicinity as we work throughout our Friday. We're going to have the other features. It's going to be shoving the moisture up here out of the south and west. We're going to have deep moisture content layered within the atmosphere. We keep the juicy atmosphere around all the way through Friday evening, and then you can blatantly see the cold front with the colder, drier air off to the north and west. It's going to infiltrate the region out of that direction. This is what's going to be bringing the calmer conditions for us to enjoy here throughout the weekend. Now, there is something else that we need to take note of. After our quiet weekend with high pressure building in behind the cold front, we'll keep winds light and out of the north throughout our Saturday. And then we get into our Sunday, and high pressure is going to scoot off to our east. Low pressure developing to our north and west. We're going to get deep southwesterly flow during the start of the new work week. That's really going to warm us up back up into the 80s. Not only that, but then this approaching cold front out of the north and west we're going to be looking at the opportunity at some strong or even severe thunderstorms impacting us in the Tuesday to Wednesday time frame. This is going to be worth keeping close eyes on. We don't have anything outstanding that's showcasing on models, but we do have some ingredients that are going to be available for the opportunity of some strong storms to impact the region, all right? In the near term, just generalized thunderstorms today and tomorrow. We're not expecting severe weather. You could catch some rumbles of thunder out of this, some gusty winds, maybe some small hail at times. But the focus is going to be on Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. They already have a severe weather risk outlined for far northwest Kentucky. This is just north and west of the Wobbles community. This will be worth keeping eyes on the Tuesday to Wednesday time frame of next week to see if this comes to fruition. Total rainfall amounts here has been upped a bit. What we've been seeing here from the latest guidance, this will include all the way through Thursday of next week. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches of total rainfall that can be rolled out. We could be looking at anywhere from 3/4 of an inch up to 1.5 inches even as we work throughout today and into tomorrow. I think we'll be lower than that on the scale with this other round moving in here into Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. I think our next week total is going to be again in that 1 to 2 inch of total rainfall range, all right? Your 6-day weather forecast breakdown. Littered with numerous shower and storm chances. Going to keep them around throughout today, tonight. It's going to be lesser to an extent, but still scattered in nature. More widespread Friday afternoon into Friday night with a passing cold front, mid-70s realized each afternoon. And then Saturday, I think many of us are going to struggle to get out of the 60s. We're going to have a northerly wind component. Hit-miss rain showers going to be moving out of here along with that cloud cover. And then Sunday, it's going to be beautiful, partly sunny, low to mid-70s across the board. And then we get very warm and much more humid. Mid-upper 80s, a possibility Monday into Tuesday of next week with a cold front approaching out of the north and west. Our atmosphere getting primed for that opportunity of perhaps a strong to even severe storm event in the Tuesday and Wednesday time frame of next week. Friends, it's going to wrap up your Thursday morning Baby Friday edition of your Weather or Not forecast presented by On Target. You all take care.